Hey guys, so I want to talk to you about the benefits of being an agent with financial education services. I got started repaying my credit about 10 months ago, and my score has increased 145 points in only 45 days. 129 points in only 45 days. And 255 points in only 6 months. So I've had tremendous success with FES, amazing results. I got my brand new car, 2018 Kia Forte. Yes, no money down, drive away with the keys, and that was a great feeling. Financial freedom is the feeling that I have, and it's empowered me in so many ways. So that's what I had experience-wise with FES as far as my credit repair journey. Now, another benefit of being an agent is having the opportunity to have your services for free. Yes, that's right, for free. All you have to do is just refer 5 people, and you in turn make $500, and now you don't have to pay for your services any longer. I was fortunate enough to have a big mouth, and I was just telling everyone who would listen from the mountaintops, I got my credit fixed, I got a new car, I'm loving this program, these are my results, check it out, read it and weep, beep, 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 this is real. And I told everyone, this is real, I'm having major success with it. And when I got my first check, that definitely opened up my eyes to, okay, I'm being paid. I didn't even know why I got paid, but I know I was getting a check. And all I did was just tell a friend what I did and send them the link. Simple as that. And by doing that over and over and over again to people who have been like, hey, how'd you do it? What'd you do? Can you give me some direction or some tips? And that's what I did. I just became more of an expert. The more I learned, the more I earned, seriously. And the more people I told. So I just kept on running my mouth and telling everybody about this blessing because I'm just so grateful for what it has done for me in my life. And those are the benefits of being an agent. Those are the benefits. Weekly residual income. Okay, that means that when you enroll a customer as an agent, friend, family member, you just telling people about it. Hey, next thing you know, next week on Thursday, you're getting a direct deposit check. Yes, directly into your bank account. And not only that, but you're helping someone else achieve their goal, whatever they're working on in life. You know, you're helping better someone else, and that is such a rewarding feeling to help people and know that you're working towards a greater good of helping people in a whole. So I'm definitely a servant leader. I coach my team and my friends and my family on the things that I've learned by simply paying attention to what's working around me and sharing that information. So I just wanted to share with you guys the benefits of being an agent. If you're on the fence and you have the money and you're thinking about investing, definitely do it. It's going to pay itself off. And not only are you going to have great credit to show for it, but you're also going to have blessed some people in the process and give some checks while you're at it. So my name is Justina Featherstone, Senior Field Trainer with Financial Education Services. Stay tuned, y'all.